Let's move for 10 minutes so that we do live longer but healthier. Let's go. Simple twist, but let's get the knee up. We're just getting the body warmed. Lots of similar exercises. This is 10 minutes of low impact, full body movement, balance. Oh yeah, strength, you know it. Mobility, guaranteed. Discipline, consistency. Here we go. We just keep showing up. Bring all your presence, all your attention into each movement today. As we have a little workout by the Baltic Sea. Enjoy the peace, serenity of another beautiful morning where we get to wake up and move our precious bodies. Get that knee up as high as you can. Feel the mobility increasing in your hips. Feel yourself living longer and happier. All right, one more. Brilliant. We're on the beach, barefoot today. Join me if you can. We're building different muscles in our feet that we wouldn't normally use if we are in shoes. Just a nice march, just to get the blood flowing, the heart a pumping. Really mindfully move. Yes, indeed. I want to stretch it out today, set up our week with intention. Maybe we take on one new habit change, something we want to work on. Maybe that's just showing up every day for 10 minutes of movement to hopefully encourage you to move more throughout your day. Increase the quality of your food choices, enhance the quality of your sleep, and so much more. Brilliant, brilliant. Shake it out. Okay, we want to build leg strength. I've just raised up my heels a bit with the sand. If you have something nearby, I know we've been doing a lot of this lately. Yesterday we even did it, but I want to encourage you more. Throughout the week, stop for 30 seconds and just do a few of these. Throughout your day, just adding extra movement into your repertoire. I'm just the kind of person who moves all the time, you can say to yourself, to others. Somebody catches you in the hallway, waiting for a bus. Just doing some simple, narrow stance squats. Hey, why are you doing that? Because I want to have strong legs so I have a sharp mind. I want to build mobility in my ankles, hips, and knees. Good core stability, because I want to live healthier longer. Just a few. We're going to come back to this. 2 more. Okay, more mobility, more strength, and balance at the same time. Engage your core and get that leg out there. You can use the arms for balance, which yes, actually let's do that because we're still gaining strength in our shoulders, upper back. As we build balance, mobility in the leg, engage the core. 3, 2, 1. Oh, why not one more? Other side, and remember, you're not comparing yourself to me, to anybody else, to anyone else, not to your younger self, nothing. We're just showing up, moving dynamically, so we can live a long time. Whoa! You lose your balance? No problem. Smile. Smile at the challenges. Smile at the monkey mind. Welcome toxic thought sometimes. Watch the toxic thought. But we can also welcome, hey, what are you here to teach me? That's not who I am. And I can replace that toxic thought with a positive one. I am good at balance. I am strong. I am mobile. And I'm continuing to get more so each day. One more. How's that feel? Lovely. Okay, I want to stretch out the quads. I'm going to add, if you have a chair nearby, Could be very useful. So we're going to build balance, get a great stretch here as well. I'm going to add another dynamic to it. I am going to, while I'm stretching, this is up to you. If you'd like to try this, I'm just going to come down and touch the floor. Mobility, strength, balance. Maybe it's just here while you're holding the chair. That's perfectly fine. But maybe you can come down to here, whatever works for you. It's good to challenge ourselves once in a while also. I'm going to be going over an amazing book called Age Proof. Rose Ann Kenny, an incredible Irish doctor. Brilliant, beautiful woman. Incredible. Her research, she is just helping millions of people. One of the very beginning of the book, 80% of our longevity is lifestyle choices. It's up to us. It's not just genetics. That is a whopping number. Take that with you through the week, that we have so much more control over how we age. It's not just our genetics. So just adapt one more habit, add one element of positive change, and let's just stack them up over and over and over so that we can live as healthfully as long as possible. Whoa, here we go. Take that positive mindset with you. I'm good at balance. I can do this. And if this is all you can do, or just on the chair, you're here, you've shown up. That's the most important part. Feel that real great stretch. You can come down and you can stretch it up even more if it feels right. And again, remember, we're all at different levels. There we go. Endorphins. And yes, smile at the challenge. Smile. Oh, yeah. Let's go one more each side. I may be a little dark today, but the view is so lovely. I love the overcast. How about that? Okay. I want to move side to side, but in this, and I'm just bringing a little bound to my step. A youthful bound. We are youthful. Are you 99? You are youthful. It's in the mind. I am 48. I don't know if I've ever felt so good. It's adapting this mindset of what I once thought was old. No, that's just a state of mind. Exude youth, childlike behavior in this simple bound. We get the arms going. Let's use this as a bit of a meditation also. I am young. I am strong. I am balanced. We got a nice little divot going here. A couple more. Brilliant. Ooh. Okay, let's just finish off. Wide stance, and let's just, little side lunge. I want to go a little bit wider. There we go. Get as deep as you can. This can look very different for each of us. And I do want to use my arms here too. Little Tai Chi action. There's a reason these ancient practices have been around forever. Connect the mind with the body. Stay youthful. Ooh, that'll be a good thumbnail coming up. Remember that. Stay youthful. I like it. But this is about living healthier for longer. Push disease down the road. Just move. Oh, feel it in the back. Great stretch in the groin. Upper body's loose. And hallelujah. Oh. Join me in mountain pose. Let's just take a moment to take it all in. Connect to your breath. Feel the power of what you've just done. Add on to it through the day. Take one movement. A little bit more movement. A little bit more movement. Movement that matters. Go and have the most incredible day. It's a great day for a great day. Keep showing up. You matter so much. Please remember, comment, let me know how the session went for you. Let's encourage each other to move more so that we can be way healthier for way longer. I appreciate you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.